On this video, we'll see how to install n8n using the one-click button of Scalingo. So first, you need to go on github.com/scalingo/n8n-scalingo. You will see a small button here called one-click deployment. You will click on it. Now you will log into Scalingo and you can create your application. So now I will just give it a name. So n8n Samir. I will choose a region. You can also choose a project, create an application. Since n8n need also a database, we will use PostgreSQL1. We have an encryption key, then you need to save it. You click on next step and create and deploy. So now what Scalingo does is creating your n8n application, adding the PostgreSQL database, etc. So now we just need to wait. Okay, so now we see that our deployment is in progress. We see that we are fetching the source code, we are creating runtime environment, and we begin to install the binary. Now let's wait for the deployment to be finished. Okay, so now the deployment is successful. So now we can go into overview and we can click on open our application. So now we have our n8n application. We'll put our email. We'll put our first name, our last name, and a password. So we'll just use this one. Now we can click on next. Now you can follow this. I will just do this. Okay, so now after that, what you need to do is enter your email to get your license key and click on send me a free license key. And now it's the end of this tutorial. Right now you have a full n8n self-hosted environment.